What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Big Stick Stand. Hey guys, due to the ice storm, it's been hard to get out to my friend's house to do another review on his Fox collection. This one's going to be an update on this turd back here. I've got a couple setbacks to share with you. Not very happy about them, but we'll get through it and get it done. Smash that like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, I got the engine out. I'm about ready to take the heads off. You can see the slack in the timing chain. Found my oil leak. Look at the rear china wall. See how the seal is laying down in there? I didn't like what I seen there. Let me show you something. Bam! I blew that 5.0 apart. I seen some ridges on the cylinders and I had to dig a little further. Look at those coolant passages. This block needs tanked. Anyway, E7 power, baby. Come over here. Crankshaft looks good. Just gonna polish that up. 5.0 cam. There's the oil pan, never been off. Not full of sludge, it's dirty. The pistons here. I'll show you one of these. We're down to the copper. But not too bad. Forged. I'll be hanging on to them if I can't reuse them. I got 66 thousandths worth of feeler gauges here. Wanted to check the ring gap. Got a compression ring put here in the cylinder. Should be 10 to 20 thousandths. Would you look at that? And that's a loose fit. Rings are wore out. I'm going to take you guys over here and show you what I got going on with the car. I got a lot taken apart. Got all the airbag stuff off, the wiring, and about to get it up in the air, pull the wheel wells out, and get a better look at the shock towers. That's not bad. This side looks terrible, but other than that bottom part of the frame, all that's solid. It's just really ugly. But I need to get the wheel wells out, wheel liners out, and see what I got and go from there. As far as all the degreasing from that massive oil leak, I got all that pretty cleaned up good. That was not a lot of fun. And the transmission is good enough to put in the trunk of my car to take it to the trans shop. And so I'm going to go over here and peck on this with a screwdriver and show you what I got. Solid metal. This part here is the bad part. Yep, that is not good. So like I said, I'll get it up in the air and see what the other side looks like. That sucks. So I'll be cutting open this frame and seeing how bad it is inside and taking more things apart. Thank you for watching.